How's life? YouTube, Trivia Express here, and in this video, as you could tell by the title, I am going to Burger King to get a Whopper, and you guys did want me to go to Hiram's, but the line was too long and I didn't feel like waiting, so I decided to go to Burger King instead, because Burger King and Hiram's are on the same road, but just a few minutes apart. So I hope you guys enjoy me eating a Whopper sandwich with fries and a Coke. Can I get a Whopper meal with no cheese and with no tomato? And then, can you go easy on the mayo and ketchup? And then a Hershey pie. Actually, no, forget the Hershey pie.
For here?
Yeah, for here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so I just ordered, and now I'm going to sit down. Here's where I'm gonna sit. I got some coins. I got 25, 50, 75. I got 80 cents. So now I'm going to wait for my food, and I'll see you guys when I'm eating. I got a Whopper. So now, let's eat. Oh shit. The Coke leaked. Now that's sweet and sour sauce for my fries. Yep, and this is so sad I can't even open it. As you just saw, I got Coke. This is very good. God damn. God damn. Pickle. God damn, this music's annoying. Oh my god, yo. This is literally... Sandwich is good. But the stupid music is pissing me off. And guys, I posted something on my Instagram saying where and what should I eat. A lot of you guys said hot dogs from Hiram's. So I went there, and the line was too long. So I didn't want to wait. So, since Hiram's and Burger King are on the same street, I came here because I love Whoppers. They just taste so good. And pickle. It's just a spicy cucumber, basically. And then fries. This is a fire sandwich. Damn, now it's loud. Guys, I rode my bike here, so and I didn't lock it. So I'm always just checking to make sure it's still there. Alright, so guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And turn on the bell notifications for so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I promise you guys, I am gonna go to Hiram's one day, maybe this week. I do most eating videos mostly Fridays, and mostly on the weekends. Now that school's almost over, it's April, so school's over, end of June, so just a little over 2 months left. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share, peace. Enjoy your life, for now, if you can.